Oh, me never know this all along. So me can speak things into being. First thing first, me I make myself two of my favorite jam song with morning. You see after that, me I go in the cash pot with the mega ball. And then we win the pick 3 and the pick 4. I'm going to be a super lotto mega millionaire. Last but not least, you see me ex-girlfriend new man, him a go pour on me. Him a go pour like the people that want depend on poor relief. And you see foot, cheesy, emote, think. Let me go on my bed. I can't wait to wake up in the morning. Super lotto.
Broad bean, red bean, kidney bean, gully bean, any kind of bean. Just speak things into being and it will surely happen. Be true.
Thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe. See you later.